Today, my daughter, who's 7 years, soon to be 8, asked me, "Where does babies come from?" She knew that they're in tummy, but how they come out? And I told her, "I vomit and you came." And she said, "Really?" And I said, "Yes." But in the same moment, I think I just lied to her. Soon she will know, and then she might think about me that my mom might lie to me in other matters too, and it shook me hard. I go near to her and told her that it might disgust you if I told you the truth where they come. But when you grow up, you will find it so amazing and miraculous and such a blessing from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So it's just not a right time for you to know this fact. And I advise them, whenever you have a discussion of this among your friends, do discuss with me so that I can tell you the right things. We should always be truthful towards our kids. But giving them information before time is not just right. It just took the innocence of a child away. Be mindful, use right words, convince them with love, and always be truthful and friendly.